Let's harvest some fresh honeycomb.
Look at that golden honey. Off to the factory we go.
Frames arrive at our state-of-the-art facility.
Thousands of frames moving down the automated line.
Sweet, sticky, and ready for extraction.
Precision tools uncap the wax cells in seconds.
Hot blades slice off the caps smoothly.
Next, they enter the giant centrifuge.
Locked in and ready to spin.
Spinning at high speeds to extract every drop.
Pure liquid gold flowing perfectly.
Now, smashing the empty honeycombs for wax processing.
Large chunks of beeswax headed to the grinder.
Down the hatch they go!
The augers shred the wax into tiny flakes.
Perfectly shredded beeswax pouring out.
A continuous flow of pure wax heading to the melter.
Dropping into the heated vats.
Melting down into a rich, hot liquid.
Giant mixers stir the molten wax continuously.
Flowing to the filtration step.
Filtering out all impurities.
A beautiful pour into the secondary mixer.
Mesmerizing swirls of flawless wax.
Adding special powder to perfect the texture.
Blending ingredients under intense heat.
Look at that silky, smooth, chocolate-like consistency.
Ready to be molded into candles.
Lining up the molds and inserting the wicks.
Filling them up with precision.
Hot candles heading to the cooling tunnel.
Chilling out to solidify.
Powerful fans speed up the cooling process.
Perfectly solid and ready for extraction.
A massive sea of beautifully formed candles.
Popping them out of the molds.
Flawless raw pillars moving forward.
Time for a quick trim.
Automated clippers ensure uniform wick length. Awakened.
Buffing the top for a perfectly smooth finish.
Smoothing out the sides.
Look at them shine.
Rows and rows of perfection. Moving into the packaging station.
Wrap tight to seal the freshness.
Heat shrink applies the perfect skin.
Robo's boxing individual candles.
Loading them into multi-packs.
Wrapped and boxed, ready for shipping.
Final packaging into large cartons.
From Honeycomb to your home.
Thousands of beautiful, natural beeswax candles.
Incredible automation at every step.
Quality checked and sealed to perfection.
Ready to light up the world.
Nature's gift, refined for you.
Thanks for watching the journey.
Enjoy your pure beeswax candle.
That's how it's done. See you next time.